Hi, I'm Kushal, and this is SHRAWN, a fintech application that can be used for tracking your all the expenses in a single window, rather than seeing multiple application or software for checking your expense. So all you can track your expense in the single this application window. So let's start. So the basically I have also already created a basic demo, so I will log in with that ID. And the main goal of this application is used to track every expense efficiently while keeping the backend production ready and scalable for future growth. So basically in this application I use a Java and Spring Boot with a proper system design and a clean architecture. For a technical perspective, I designed the project using solid principles, like instead of placing everything in a single services or in a single controller, I maintain a proper module for every application. So let's start our live demo of this application. So in this application, you can create your individual expense as per your requirement rather than seeing all your expenses in a single application. So that can create too much mess in your seeing proper expenditure. So rather than creating mess, you can create your individual dashboard. So here I can create some few dashboard by default, like personal, daily, family, home. But you can also create a new dashboard from here, like travel, mountain. So your dashboard can create instantly. Travel to. So you can see it is currently empty, but you can check all your dashboard from here also, like family, home. So you can see here a total expense of this much and total income. Then you can see a daily graph. You can also create an expense like 5,000 expense by UPI for health, yeah, medicines. And you can also change or customize data as per your requirement, just like I said too. So you can see a live graph also moving as per the requirement. So you can also check your all the expense history in a particular expense sidebar. You can maintain your categories also. You can create a new custom category. You can also analyze your entire expense by checking like how much where you spend which amount of money by UPI, by card, or in which section. Yeah, you can change directly from here. So for the database, I'm using a PostgreSQL, and the project is fully containerized with Docker. So that is basically a tech part I'm explaining you, so you can understand very clearly. So the architecture is also designed so it can later migrated to majorly microservices and deployed on AWS as per the growth of this application. So rather than making a small project, I make this a proper application which can track as your all the expenditure ledger in a single window. So it can also create a new application, or we can say that it is also a new startup also. So it can be a deploy live, so everyone can use this very easily and clearly. So if you are a startup or looking for someone who enjoys building scalable backend system, and or you are hiring for a Java backend, Spring Boot, or DevOps related fintech roles, I did love to connect and contribute to your team. So I can get very good knowledge and contribute more in the fintech field. Yeah, that's it from my side, and thank you.